namin gagawin yan, Sir Adrian.
Yan, itong empowered consumerism is a platform that empower you. Yan, na from turning yung mga gastos po natin, katulad pong itong nagsisimula. Kanina nabanggit ko po, activity such as yung ginagawa mo palagi. Yan, di ba? Kayo nagpo-post sa Facebook, nag-online, nag-YouTube. Wala namang masama dyan, pero mas maganda po kung pinagkakakitaan natin yan. Kasi araw-araw ginagawa natin at majority ng tao nasa online. Ang tanong, gusto mo lang bang makita sa online o gusto mong nakita at kumikita ka? Di ba? Yan yun.
Mas maganda yung, sir, yung second choice, no? Nung nakita ka na, kumikita ka pa. Mas gusto ko yun.
Oo, Doc, ito yung lagi ko sinasabi, hindi lang kwento. Dapat nagkukwenta ka at the end of the day, di ba? Nagkwento ka at the end of the day, dapat may kinukwenta ka no? At the end of the day, you heard me right. Ibig sabihin, pwede po kayong kumita daily. So how about earning from while you shop? Di ba? Lahat ng tao bumibili, Doc, I'm sure.
Yes, of course.
Pampalakas, panligo, pampaputi, no? Everybody, no? Coffee. So, ang tagal na natin ginagawa ang pagsashop o pamimili. However, tayo po ba kumikita doon? It's about time. Kumita tayo, ma-empowered, no? Hindi lang yung consumer ka. Kasi consumer tayo, whether we like it or not, Doc, di ba? Consumer tayo. Pero, paano po maging empowered consumer? Like itong nakita nyo, Doc, nakita nyo ba yan? Yung vitamins and medicines, di ba? For the last 6 months, hindi nga 6 months, very intense nung the last 6 months, pero it started nung December 2019, Doc, na talagang pinaglaanan natin, no? Kahit ayaw natin, we have to buy vitamins and medicines because of what's happening around us. We have to make our immune system strong, so we'll be protected. So whether we like it or not, may pera ka o wala, we will buy vitamins and medicines. Now, what's good with the pharmaceutical, with the pharmacy and drugstores? It is available, no? We can buy it. In fact, we've been buying medicines and vitamins for the last several years. Matagal na po. At maganda naman dito, pwede nyo sabihin, hindi lang naman kami consumer when we buy in drugstores. In fact, binibigyan kami ng rebates at minsan may sukli pa dahil may mga points, di ba? So, okay. Tama, Doc. Pero however, those rebates and points that you can get from the pharmacy or drugstores, you have no choice but to buy it also from them. Di ba gagamitin mo yung pera at points from them? Mas maganda na yung meron kang points, may rebates ka, pera talaga, which you have choice to buy it from other things. Di ba, Doc?
Yes.
Ayan. So ano nga ba yan? So sino bang aayaw dito? Yan po somehow yung bumubuo sa platform o yung sinasabi nating industriya ng empowered consumerism. Direct, if you may show the next slide, please. Yan, empowered consumerism is, again, to remind you, will enable you, will give you a chance, okay? Ang ibig sabihin po ng empowered consumerism, empowering you, is will give you a chance whether whoever you are, kahit nasan po kayo, regardless of what's happening around you. Ano man na nangyayari sa kapaligiran mo, whether MECQ, GCQ, okay? Pwede mo pagkakitaan. Di ba? Yung ating mga... Yan. Yung expenses, magiging income, yung mga ginagawa mo na palagi. Kaya hindi mahirap, Doc, direct tuloy ako ng direct. Doc, kaya hindi mahirap kasi ginagawa na natin. Bonus na lang to kasi ginagawa mo, itutuloy lang, tapos magkakaroon, pero ka pang chance, kumita ng malaki. Now, allow me to share with you paano po. So, ang kailangan nyo lang pong gawin, ganito. Next slide, please. Join the empowered economy. Ito pong ekonomiya na to, it's been existing. Ito pong empowered consumerism, itong ekonomiya ng connecting, sharing, helping, has been existing in the Philippines for 14 years, tapos in other countries, 8-10 years. Okay, kailangan nyo lang po maging part kayo ng ekonomiya ng empowered consumerism. Paano? So ganito lang po yan. All you have to do is own, buy, shop, or switch brand.